Namaste Cancer. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the 4th week of November. So, how are you Cancer? I hope you're all doing well, happy and healthy wherever you are. So, this is a personal, this is a general reading. So, take what resonates and leave what does not. Oh, yes, I always try to make them as personal as possible. So, that's interesting. Always remember to watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos because you'll find a message in each and every one of them that will give you a complete and clearer picture about the energies playing out for you, okay? I want to thank each and every one of you for all the love and support that you've shown the channel and to me. I'm so grateful to you, Cancers. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet, and share it on your social media too. Thank you so much in advance. Also, I'll be very happy to bring to you your personal reading in case you're interested. So, you'll find all my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find a link to my personal website. I welcome all of you to visit it and share your feedback with me. Also, you'll find links to all my social media there, my Facebook account and my Instagram. Welcome there too. Alright, so Cancer, here's your reading for the 4th week of November. Alright, be bold and make the first move. Okay, so I do get a couple of messages here, and this first message is quite specific, probably for one or two of you. And this is regarding a love interest, I see, that you've been sort of crushing on, been loving them or liking them for a long time, and you haven't really expressed your feelings, okay, and emotions to them, and you may find yourself doing it very soon. I love it for you. And for the others of you, the second message that I'm getting is about you've been contemplating doing something. Now, this could be a new project, a new business, a new job, or a new completely different career for yourself. And you are passionate about it, you're wanting it deep down in your heart, but you haven't really found the courage or the time or the energy to invest in exploring whether it is possible for you. And guess what? You're being asked to take it. Just jump right in and do it. You don't have to invest a lot of money, don't do it, but with whatever little you can, just jump and take that first step. Okay, and for the others of you, this is about you, this is specifically for some people who are on the spiritual path. You've been wondering, you've been doubting yourself or the path that you've chosen for yourself, and I'm talking about the spiritual path, and you find yourself questioning, even doubting whether you've done the right thing. And you have done, I can see, a lot of inner work, but there is still more to do, okay? And you haven't really seen things manifesting in your reality as far as spirituality is concerned, because you are at somewhat like a halfway mark. You are being asked to continue on that path because you will see it, okay? Now let's see what other messages. Ooh, Cancer, you've drawn the cornucopia card, which is the number 11. Now we just very recently, 4 days back, we had this 1111 portal, and when this portal is going to bring about a lot of changes, and changes for the positive. And though this is November 4th, the 4th week of November reading for you, these energies will play out till the next November, that is November 2022. And this cornucopia is all about abundance. I repeat, abundance. And abundance is not just money. Abundance is not just prosperity, finances. It is about happiness, it's about joy, it's about good, optimum health, it is about harmony in relationships, it's about a job that gives you satisfaction, it's about your spirituality which gives you that contentment. It is about fulfillment in life, in every area of your life. And this is what you've drawn, my dears. Cancer, Cancerians, you'll love it. I love this for you, and you will love it for yourself. Observer, ooh, okay. Now, there are two messages here I get again, and a very nice message. I'm so happy to bring this message to you. This message is almost for everybody, all of you Cancerians, that for a long time, when I say long time, okay, you've been observing people reach heights of their career, doing very well in their life, being very happy in their life, achieving their dreams, having the right partner, having understanding children, having fantastic relationships, and you've observed all of this from far. Now guess what? It's your time to now shine. I love it. It's your time to shine and for the others to observe you. Love it. And the second message I get is there is somebody who is observing you, who's almost stalking you, maybe your social media, who's very much interested in you, which I was picking up here, okay, which is that person is very interested in you. Or as I said, you may be interested in somebody, okay? And now this person who's observing you is now going to just lose patience and share it with you. Love it for you. And you may lose patience and just say, now done, enough is enough, I'm going to express myself. Love it for you, Cancer. Do it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Two of Cups. This is about partnerships. This is about equal give and take. This is about reciprocating love. This is about a partnership that is true in every manner. Now this could be personal and this could be professional. It could be friendship, it could be familyship, it could be anything where you are going to be valued and that value is going to return to you. Abundance coming your way. That's it. Okay, love it for you, Cancer, and it's going to come soon. This is Knight of Wands, passionate energy, fiery energy, and this is a fire sign. So this could be Sagittarius, Aries, or who's the third one? No, Leo. Okay, so not to say that it could be only these three signs, but this stalker could be one of this fire signs, and yeah, it's possible, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, and this is a fast moving energy, as it says, ki be bold. It's a very bold energy. It's about going and just doing, okay, taking action kind of an energy. Love it. This card has come up in Aries. These two cards have come up in Aries reading. They've come up in Taurus also, and now they've come up for you also. So there seems to be a collective kind of an energy about getting into partnerships. Twin flame energies also I'm picking up. Soulmate energies I'm picking up. A give and take of love. A give and take of effort and value. Valuing each other. Love it. And this is also about where you will be financially, you'll be so abundant that you can share, you can be charitable, you can be a philanthropist also. I love it for you. And trust me, Cancer, this is the November 4th reading. But this is not just for this week or even a month. These energies will play out in your life till the next November. So this is a very powerful reading for you. I would even go to this extent of saying to you or telling you to save this video and keep watching it, because you will be attracting this energy those many times. Love it for you. Claim it in the comment section, and I pray that this works out for you soon. You deserve it, Cancer. I will see you soon, Cancerians. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet, and definitely I'll see you soon. Namaste.